I welcome you, my dear beloved learners, to this mathematics platform where mathematics is being solved step by step. Okay, so today we are looking at the question on the chalkboard, which is coming from the past paper 2025 GCE paper 1. Remember, this one was question number 4, meaning we are following. We are revising the whole paper. So please don't miss this. Don't miss out this. Very, very important to you who is writing GCE 2026. Okay. So the question says, solve the equation 1 over 2 x squared minus 8 is equals to 0. That is an equation. Remember, we have got different types of equation. We have exponential equation, linear equation, we have quadratic equation, a lot of them to mention but a few. Okay, so now this type of equation among those that I've mentioned is which one? So it's very important to identify that. You have to know the type of equation that you are dealing with, okay, for you to solve it accurately, precisely. Okay, so let's now go. This is linear equation, okay, because it does not involve the power of a variable. This is just a number. So when you have an equation, and we cannot call it linear, really, this is quadratic because we have the power there. Okay, so how do we handle such questions? So we can start. You first of all write 1 over 2 x squared. Then you are going to correct the what? The like terms. Okay, the like terms. How are we going to correct it? This one with variable will remain this side. Then this 8, it is constant. So it will cross an equal side and it will be to your right hand side. Okay, so we say equals 0. Then this is positive, negative where it is, negative 8. So the moment it just crosses the equal sign, it will become positive. So you say plus 8. Okay, then from there, you can simplify further. Squared is equals to 0 plus 8, the answer is 8. Okay, then from there, what are you going to do? So we are going to divide by both sides because here we are trying to find the value of x, also for x. So for us to remain with x this side, we need to divide both sides, 1 over 2. Okay, so here we'll say over 1 over 2, even this side over 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 into 1 over 2 x squared, because we know that this one will go, then we remain with x squared is equals to 1 over 2 into 8. What are we having? We are having 16. Okay, so now let me show you how we have found this 16. So we are saying 8, this is divide by, remember, division sign, then you say 1 over 2. So here, you write 8, then this divide by, remember when we are simplifying fractions involving division, we change, this divide by changes to multiplication. And the moment it changes, it means the next fraction will reciprocate. Simply means the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator becomes the what? The numerator. You just swap. That is reciprocate. So 2 will be on top, then over 1. Okay. So now from there, we can say even here over 1. Then you say 8 times 2, the answer will be 16. Then 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 into 16 is 16. So that is how we have found the 16. Then from there now we can proceed with this one. So what do we do here for us to remain with x? Because the question says solve for x, we are solving the equation. So we need to make sure that we only have x, not x squared. So we need to introduce the square root, both sides. Okay, so this square root will go with the square, and we are going to remain with x this side. X is equals to, what is the square root? Because the moment you introduce the square root, you should say positive, negative. What is the square root of 16 is what? Positive or negative what? 4. Therefore, the final answer now, you say x is equals to, you start with positive, is equals to x 4, or, because you have two answers, or x is equals to negative what? Negative 4. Hence, the final answer. So this is how we calculate, or rather solve the what? The equation. Okay, simple as that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pedagogy Learning. Okay, so thank you so very much for following. Please continue following. Remember, we are revising this one. We need to finish it. Thank you so much.